Traditional welding machines, large footprint, slow changeover, complex programming, high costs. Here comes our Cobot arc welding machine. It requires no complex programming, just drag positioning, such ease of learn and use. Such ease of learn and use has made complex welding much simpler than ever. The machine combines Cobot as its brain, control cabinet, power supply and wire feeder together, enabling easy on-site movement. This hand-push mobile trolley is light in weight and flexible in movement, so that users will take the least time to uplift or relocate the complete machine. For some heavy industries, this machine is the most fitting helper. Just move wherever it is needed. Common pain points in skilled welders: long training cycle, high training costs, past complex programming tests. This Cobot arc welding machine with versatile handle has functions of drag teaching, coordinate positioning, path planning, and more. The handle screen is synchronous with programming messages on Teach Pendant so as to make your programming easier. Due to human-machine collaboration combining intelligent path planning and manual adjustment, your drag programming becomes simpler and faster in changeover. Therefore, it is suitable for both mass production in single product runs and low-volume welding for high-mix products. With it, mass welding will be done at express speed, and complex programming via traditional robot becomes a thing of past. Its just-in-time learning makes all general workers get started quickly. The Cobot body is lightweight and flexible, easily moved by only one worker. Its magnetic base enables quick fixation, so various scenarios will be satisfied well. Besides, the machine is optionally equipped with three-dimensional flexible platform that reserves standard mounting holes to cover most workpieces, from irregular parts to large structures. Above all, its simple programming has solved traditional issues like cumbersome processes, deployment inflexibility, and inconsistent weld quality. Taken together, this Cobot arc welding machine will help manufacturing enter a new era of smart welding by its accurate multi-position welding after passing through narrow areas that some machines can't reach.